perfect with just 3, because I'm gonna insert a clip right here so that you guys, or over here, somewhere right here, so that you guys will see, like, this hair is very full with just 3 bundles, so I personally think that's enough. As far as the hairline goes, the frontal, it's a 13x4 frontal. The hairline to me was not very, there was like really no baby hair to it. Now I'll have to go back just to double check to see if they're supposed to be, but to me, not really any baby hair. Nothing that I'm kind of used to working with, and I'm finding with my frontals, you kind of have to put a little bit more effort into them instead of like a wig, because an already pre-made wig for me is much easier for me to, like, you know, deal with and style, except especially the hairline, than doing a frontal. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, so I just dealt with this half of my hairline. Today I just didn't find a need to do like the rest of this side of my hair, because I knew I was going to be wearing this wig to the side. I wanted to make sure this side of my hair was on point to the best of my ability, and I think it's fine. If I do like a side part, you will always notice I do a big swoop right here, because that's naturally my hair, like my natural hairline is like that. So I'm very used to having to do a bigger swoop like right in these areas, because they are thinner to me. So that's what I do with my own like wigs or frontals. I just mimic my own hairline instead of creating a whole new hairline, if that makes sense. Also, what I've noticed with bundle hair, you don't have to worry about the ends. To me, the hair that I've come into contact with being very thin, like I've had to kind of watch out for with pre-made wigs, because some wigs, and be careful with this, some wigs you will order that 22, 24, 26 inches, but you will have to end up cutting off some of that hair because the ends are not full, or they just really dry, or you know, somewhere along that line. And so with this bundle hair, with this wig, I didn't have to worry about that. So no need to worry if you think that your ends are not going to be full, because they definitely will be. You guys, that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are almost at 30,000 subscribers, so stay tuned. I will be doing a few giveaways coming up that I'm very excited about. Yeah, so that's it. That's it for this review. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.